Otine grass takubona haraji. Otine grass takubona haraji. Madam hika. Kaba kaka grass. Order. Otine ka grass no what? Otine ka grass no haraji.
Eji video nagikorera abantu bo mu Western Uganda abanyankore kutugamba abintu ebimutandika kutujuma omu comment section na nokutuhera na nokutujuma ebigambo bihango munonga kutuhemura kandi twagamba abintu ebinimuteekateeka ngu twine tribalism ntugamba tribalism. This is not tribalism, you guys. Let us be realistic. Western Uganda people, let us be realistic. Let us tell the truth to the world. This is General Tumukunde, Henry Tumukunde from Rukonjere. Last time 2021 akesimba abwa president as independent candidate. Right now naendo bwa MP bwokwe Rukonjere a ticket ya NRM. Konke kinte kyalebye kikushasha abanyarukonjere no kunywa haraji. Ekinte kyalebye kikushasha abanyarukonjere no kunywa haraji ya shiringi bishatu. No kugure domora za haraji akaziteeka akatandika gabira abanyarukonjere. That is your problem. Kusinda mukagwa hansi mukarara amihanda. That is your problem. Abantu ba rukonjere. Twagambe bintu ebi no kurebayo mushema yizo mu comment section yatandika kutuhemura. Hazoreba n'abakazi ba mama babana ba mama bihanga basimbere line ya haraji ya shinji bitano. Haraji like haraji eje bijere. Nicho kizibu cy'abantu ba rukunjiri. Abantu ba rukunjiri mweneki. Tumukunde kwagire kushitama wakareba abizibu byone bimwine omu district ya rukunjiri yareba ngo cyo kunywa haraji nico mwine. Haraji bakagishumya shiringi bishatu no basa no kusinda shiringi 10 no basa kusindoka gwa muhanda. Konka na waterwa mutwe. Tihariyo panado ya bitano. Teriyo panado ya bitano teriyo. Konka abantu ba Western Uganda ekikuba teganiso mitwe nichi. What is disturbing you people? What is disturbing you people? Abana Bugando mu ghettos ni baba hasente. That's why I'm telling you that Baganda are very intelligent people. Azimwe muza kubajuma ngu ni bariyengwe ngu nabashuma nabayayi. Baganda so intelligent people by the way you people. Let us talk realistic. Abana ba ghetto Kampala ni benda sente tibaka kwagira for free. For them by the way they are intelligent. Bakwasire bilioni 5 bazabana ba ghetto around Kampala. Ghetto people bilioni 5. Mweni mwenda kunjira ngurukunjiri tari yo ghetto. Abana bayo babahire zingayi. This is kugira tishemerirwa kugira ngo bakwasire sente zo mu mushoro ngo bazabana ba ghetto. No, get my point here. Baganda are very intelligent people and you are always abusing them, you people. But you don't know what you are abusing. They are very intelligent people. That's why the government scared them. Nebatina. Because they know Baganda, they don't settle for less. But Banyankole people, really you are so ashaming. Ni muhemora na. Abanyankole ni muhemora na, you are so cheap. Abanyankole, you are not serious. Not many, not all of you guys. Quote me well. Not all of you. But really this thing is beyond the stupidity of understanding. How can someone go in a line of getting walaji for siringi bitano? How? How can that make sense in your head? You people from Western Uganda. Azo chirebayo, ako ka Bobby, ogwe kadingo, niyo, olebera chimwe mwena murgawo timwene majezi. I cannot abuse Tumukunde, because for him he can do nonsense to get what he want. But imwe bali yona akolera muga kasasi rejo yo, nebyo byali yona akola kasasi rejo. Aza kubahereza, ozwiro gutishati gwayero otireho Tumukunde, you are getting waraji in a silver cup. In a disposable cup. Walaji for 500. Not even 500 because that Walaji is like 300. And you are going to vote that same man. To do what? To do what in parliament? To do what? You are going to vote Tumukunde. To do what? For you to do what? Tumukunde has been in the government since 86 up to now. What has he done to the people of Rukungiri? What? Right now he see you that you deserve to get a walaji to drink and get drunk and sleep on streets. Abana bageta bakusiba ni banusa majuta genyonyi bibabaha billions of money. Nibazana haliya achituti bareba Museveni omukana wamuje nituenda sente, we want money. Kanda kwate sente nyamwinja zibahereza bazibara no kuzibara. But for you nimwenda kunjira nguru kunjiri tali abana ba ghetto, abana ba rukunjiri ba ghetto, abana bambarara ba ghetto, abana bakurara streets omulimbarra hono mu Kisenya hansa bus park arabana bingi bakurara streets babahireki. What did they get? Don't you see that the Baganda are so intelligent? They know how to get nibamanyenje liba kubasa kwerebereramu. Don't you see that? And you are there abusing them. Baganda nabali benkwe. Abaganda, they are not reliable. Nabali benkwe. Nabashuma. They are bashumas because they know how to look after themselves. They are not like you. They are not like you, Banyankole people, Western Uganda people. Please change your mindset. Please don't. Mureke kutuhenda bantu mwe mureke kutuhenda kuteka ngu ihanga Uganda imwe chimukurebe kiriyoniriza. How can a minister, a former Simanya Bichi, a former Ame General, a Simanya an MP, a presidential candidate, kubaha haraji to see that you are on a grade of haraji, you people? Let me remove these glasses so that you can watch me very well. You people from Western Uganda, please change your mindsets because this is too much. Nimwe bakuhe bibiriti, nimwe bakuha sabuni, nimwe bakuhe 200, nimwe bakutekere nyama, hati batandika no kuba haraji. Walaji. And you stand up, start abusing Baganda. Baganda, they don't settle for less like you people. Baganda, they are so intelligent. They know their rights. Sometimes you see them as Bantu, abenkwe manyabichi. But they know they are so intelligent than you. For you just so cheap to that extent. Mbenu kulitumukunda kwa sile bilioni ya senta kajibahereza. Kaya atujiremu naenda gabo bururu. Naenda guro bururu. Akwate bilioni ya senta jibatemu. Mweneze domara za haraji nizigura zinga. Nizigura zinga you people. Azo shalio niweshongora. Tumukunde simbora basi. Can you imagine? You people mwana.
Simanyi oba emiguwa mwagitegese kuba ssaawa yonna tugenda kutandika okulisiivinga abalalo baffe. Waliwo abantu abagenda okugwa ekika ky'eddalu kye bayita kadiosis. Gwe bamma kaadi eddalu nga lisituka. Kati emiguwa mugitegeke gibeerewo mu bungi. Eddalu gwe lisitukiramu. Kasita tutandika balabanga batandise okutaaya katoka. Baabo khudhuuhu faghulluuhu. Mubakwate mubalijje. Bagenda kubaamu n'ekirungo kye bayita muzunza. Balyoke bakube media tour. Balyoke batukasukira omugambo. Kati emiguwa gibeerewo wakati waliwo ne benatandise okulaba batandise dde okulaga signs and symptoms. N'omanyi ono we bamumira kaadi eddalu lye ligenda kusituka. Essaawa eno likyasirise busirisi. Naye nga akakungunta bw'atakayitako eddalu lya kusituka.
Nga basinzira ku bino haji akakiiko byagenda okutunulira. Haji Latif owa Uganda kawempe mpya. Okay? Ekibiina kitakuwa bendera. Ojja kusiriko nti kyekyo kye mwazudde kyekyo zinga emikono.
Ati kyegambi bwana.
No. You as a person. Nga gwe omuntu.
Njala nkutegeeze. Nti bwe mba njogera ku nsonga efaana bw'eti. Ndi ddoboozi ery'abantu bangi. Kivudde gamba nti mu mbeera zonna tosobola kukola process efaana bw'eti. N'ogamba tewajja kufunayo bantu. Oli ayinza okwesanga nga okwemulugunya kwe nga ddala gata kuli genuine. Kyeyabadde asuubira si kyekyo kyakoze kyafunye. Akati okwemulugunya kwe atujja kusangayo oli nga ddala kwekangabiriza. Ng'oba ekyo ekyavudde ekyo kikwataganyidde ddala n'ebiri ku ground. Akati $1 million question is erina okubeera nti ebeera very clear eri ba members bonna ba NUP ti munteekateeka efaana bweti nti ffe ng'ab'ekibiina nga tumaze okulaba okusoomozebwa NRM kweyiseemu ne petitions ezigenda mu 400 n'akadde akaweddeyo tukoze tutya okulaba nga tuyamba ekibiina nti ffe nga bamembers abesimbyewo n'ekibiina kyennyini Electoral Management Committee okulaba nti ebinaavaayo biwa ekifaananyi ekituufu ekigenda okulemesa ekigenda okukendeeza ku kwemulugunya okugenza okuvaayo. So lwekyo nze wano kyensaba bannaffe bonna abesimbyewo abeegwanyisa ebifo ebyenjawulo nti tugenze mu process gye tugenzeemu nga tumanyi bulungi nnyo ti abatuzuganya wabweru bwa pate bangi.
You've not answered my question.
No. Nkwasalinga kibuuzo kyo nti olwaleero nze nyala kuteeka kakuwa ekyokulabirako.
Maybe I should repeat the question.
No, ekibuuzo nakitegedde bulungi. Kakuwa ekyokulabirako nti olwaleero bw'ogamba nti olwaleero ogenda okukola survey n'ogamba nti kati nga bwegambye nti 40% ya vetting, 60% ya field.
Okay. So which question are you answering?
Gyenjogerako yennyini gy'obuuzizza. Ekyokugamba nti akati ekibiina kyo kigenda kukola kiti okulaba nti bwe kiba tekikuwadde kaadi.
Ng'olaba kwabo ng'ogaana kutegeka miguwa mugitegeke ssaawa yonna. Omuntu atandika okulaga signs and symptoms noga ono alinamu obubonero bw'eddalu cardiosis. Kati nze nkugamba ebigambo bino emiguwa mugitegeke tulina okubeera bize nga tubalijja gw'olaba omulalu ng'owaguliza ku munno nti baabano uno omulwadde wa cardiosis